So Gaz, tell us mate, where are we?
The heart of the Yarra Valley here, suburb called Yarra Glen, the next site for smart homes projects, a 13 townhome development that we're calling Penleigh Estate.
Beautiful. We chose this site because it's in residential area, but it's directly opposite Green Wedge. So on the other side of the road's Green Wedge. It's 52 minutes away from Melbourne, 10 seconds away from any decent vineyard. It's a country lifestyle, Gary, and we just want to bring our product into this area. Well, how good's this, Gaz?
Oh mate, bloody marvellous.
We're at the bottom of the development site and the cameraman Dan's put a marker for us to walk to this time.
So we know where to
Isn't
stop.
that amazing?
I would have kept walking. 11 townhomes. And then we're going to have a beautiful battle axe with 2 premium homes on it, very much designed and inspired from our Darvale Street, Bona, and a few other projects we've built.
That modern country feel.
Yes.
Big fireplace features with stonework around.
100%, bit of razzle dazzle.
Trades, suppliers, anyone locally, yeah, we're going to need some manpower to build this development.
If anybody wants to keep updated, interested in purchasing in Penleigh Estate, reach out to the below link. We'll be in touch.